operator. See, they don't want us to get closer, but
Yes.
I think I can get a clearer view from here.
Sure. Yeah. Ya taso daga wannan komawa ne. Ya yi kokarin juyawa ne. Yana ji, ya yi kokarin juyawa yana so
human being like that. Like bushmeat.
Wallahi.
only this person.
This is all I can do now. I will try and upload a very clear video later.
See why?
The pilot, right? As in, we don't think that this thing it go hit our own building. But the guy tried. Now small remain, but the big one bend, come the bend, come the bend. Now everybody knows say this thing will last. Small time, we just hear bua.
Calm down.
And now, I'm from the
That's
other
the
side.
reason why you see people build as the carry roof to hide this thing, they go dey complain. People no dey understand. Because of all these things.
They know they build plane for where people they live. Very, very far place. You see the one wey happen for Lagos the other time. Na the same thing.
Na the same thing. Clear plane, roof like ship.
On top people build na anything.
All the people dey inside.
Everybody die. Everybody die. Now them lie down for them now. You no see them. You no see them for ground. Body dey ground now. You see that side where those people dey. Body dey there. You see where the tail dey. So where the tail dey. So person dey on top that place. Where those people dey when they use the axe they cut. So person dey there. Like two people dey there. This was. They can't pursue us, say no coverage. Na charter jet. Oh my God. Charter jet. Soldier pursue you.
Those people dey.
You see, say they no settle as dem dey so.
I don't collect this afternoon.
I just finish the video.
Ba gidajen mutane. Ba gida. Da yasa ni kwato bana yawan ma wani sayan guri a nan yanki. Ba da wani amfani sayan guri a nan. Amma ya ga mutane ba su san halin wannan hayakin ba. Wannan higa hayaki kansa a nan hika mutu.
Mu zo.
Ba gidajen mutane. Ba gida. Da yasa ni kwato bana yawan ma wani sayan guri a nan yanki. Ba da wani amfani sayan guri a nan. Amma ya ga mutane ba su san halin wannan hayakin ba. Wannan higa hayaki kansa a nan hika mutu.
Mu zo.
Kai, Jesus Christ. This is bloody. Bodies. Shit. Kai, Jesus Christ. This is bloody. Bodies. Shit.